Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this look right here, but before I get into a little bit more detail, just wanted to thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. It's the first milestone that I've actually hit, and my Philippines vlog is almost at 160,000 views. That is surreal. Like, I cannot believe that that many people actually watched my video, and there's so much comments. Good or bad doesn't matter. It's still phenomenal that people are responding to my video and that people are actually noticing it and giving their opinions, and it's absolutely amazing. And 1,000 subscribers is insane as well. I haven't posted a lot of videos lately because I went back to university, but I'm definitely back on the grind. You guys can expect to see more videos. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial, and thank you so much for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, join the party. My name is Spalla if you do not know me, and yeah, let's just get on into it. To start off, I'm going to be using my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. I'm almost out of this, so I'm going to have to go pick up another one. This is just a little tester, but I actually ended up falling in love with it. So I just take like this much and I rub it into my skin. I do also have really dry skin, so this does help my makeup to last longer, and it helps for my skin from getting really cakey looking. And then I go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and I just spray that all over my skin before I do my makeup. And I do just let that sit, so I'll be right back when it's all dry. Look who made an appearance, everyone. It's Bolty. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Say hi. This is my dog Bolt. I don't know if you've seen him in videos before, but he likes attention. Anyways, so he just licked my face, but the Smashbox water is absorbed and my skin's nice and tacky, but also hydrated. So I really like how my skin gets kind of tacky after that combination, just because it helps the makeup to stick and it helps it from like not moving around during the day. Video, I'm also going to be showing you guys my everyday kind of like eyeshadow look that I go for. So I do this for school, I do it for work, if I'm going out just for a little bit. And I'm going to start that off by using the Clarins Instant Concealer. And I'm just going to put that on my eyes. And I'm just going to blend that in using my finger. So after my concealer on my eyes is blended in, I'm just going to go straight into using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And I have recently been trying out Daisy Marquez, I think that's how you pronounce her last name, trying out her little tip. I can't remember who she heard it from, but not actually putting translucent powder on your eyes and just going in with the eyeshadow immediately. She said that it makes it a lot more pigmented, so I've been trying that out for the past week. I honestly haven't noticed a huge difference, but I'm sure if I did like really colorful looks, I would start to notice the difference between setting them and not setting them. So first I'm going to go ahead and take this shade Golden Ochre, and I'm just going to start to put that in the crease. And I know that my palette's kind of beaten up, like I'm almost out of a lot of the shades, but I am 100% getting that new palette that's coming out soon. I forget what it's called, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Then going in with this shade right here called Warm Taupe, I'm just going to put that also in the crease, and I'm going to add a little bit of burnt orange as well. So there is a little bit of fallout in that. Nothing too bad because I am doing my eyes first, so I can just put my concealer and foundation to clean it up a little bit. Then I'm going to be taking the Anastasia's Subculture palette. If you have not seen my video, go check it out. I'll put it in the little card. Not sure which side it's going to be on, but it's okay. It's not the best palette, but I'm going to go ahead and take this shade Roxy and the shade New Wave, and I'm just going to put that more in the outer V of my eye. So then after I'm done my eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and use my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Intense Black. And I'm just going to go ahead and create a wing. After I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to apply that to the top lashes. I'm going to be taking my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup, and this is in the shade 1N1, which is Ivory Nude. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques complexion sponge, and I'm going to wet it with some of my Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I'm going to apply the foundation directly to the Real Techniques sponge. Just because it is a little too dark for me, so I don't want to have too much on my skin. Use some of my Clarins concealer again, just underneath my eyes. And using the same sponge. Then to start to add a bit of the glowiness, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow, and this is in the shade Oyster, and I'm just going to apply this to where I would normally highlight. See, look how nice and glowy that just makes it look. Just adding a bit of that liquid highlighter, and then just blending out what's on my nose and the other side. My face, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to tap some of that into the lid. And taking my Real Techniques sponge, I'm just going to place it under my eyes. And I'm also just going to pile it on the rest of my face as well. And then just taking this fluffy brush from the Body Shop, I'm just going to wipe that away. I do have really dry skin, so I don't leave the powder on for too long, or else my skin starts to look even drier than it actually is. So this is the face makeup, not including like bronzer, highlighter, or anything like that, but this is just the way my skin looks. So I absolutely love the combination of all the things I use together. It makes my skin look so, it looks almost like I have a like soft filter on it, which I don't. I just love the way that this looks. Like, it's not too matte, just since I do use the moisturizer, the Smashbox water, and then I use the liquid glow on top of that. But I absolutely love the way that this all looks. Next, going in with my Bourjois chocolate bronzer, I'm just going to bronze up my face a little bit. And I'm using this Quo brush, which I actually squeeze like that so I can get some like more definition. And since my skin is so light, I don't like actual contouring. I like just using bronzer. The contour kind of makes my skin look a little too gray. So I just avoid that, and I bring my bronzer like legitimately everywhere I possibly can. If I'm wearing an off-the-shoulder shirt, I'll like literally bring it down here. Does anybody know? Highlighter. I'm going to be using my all-time favorite Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Cocoa Bling. And I'm actually going to wet my brush. This is another Body Shop brush. It's actually for blush, but I love it for highlight. And I'm just going to spray it with my Urban Decay spray. Oh my god, I love this highlighter. Like look how freaking beautiful it is. It's amazing. And finally, I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay spray once again, but I'm actually going to spray it on my face this time just to set everything in. And using a setting spray actually does help to make the powders kind of melt into your face so it doesn't look like they're just sitting on top. Last but not least, I'm going to be moving on to my lower lash line. I like to do that after my face is set because when I do my lower lash line and my mascara, once it gets wet, it kind of transfers down, so I do that at the very end. So for my lower lash line, I'm just going to be taking this shade Roxy. Taking a tiny bit more of my Artist Couture, I'm just going to place that in the inner corners of my eye. Then I swear this is the very last step. It's my Huda Beauty Lip Strobe, and this is the shade Snobby. Alright everybody, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. And let's try to get to 2,000 subs. Let's just keep building these milestones. Let's just keep getting there. You guys are phenomenal, and yeah, love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.